the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Floor Foundation, Stay All Day Foundation. This is absolutely good. I have been loving this. I just got this in December 2019 and I've been reaching out for this a lot. So let's get started. So I have corrector on my face already and I'm gonna apply this foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a must-have if you're into matte makeup. There's like an airbrush kind of finish when you use this. I noticed that because even after like a couple of hours and my makeup still look new. There isn't a lot of creasing. I'll show you guys a picture somewhere here. There isn't a lot of transfer. It's just like a nice heavy duty kind of foundation, and for someone who's a bit on the oily side, I can say that it performs well under humid tropical weather. If you guys want to see how I apply this, please keep on watching. So one thing to note is that this does set quite fast, so I want to be quick on blending the foundation. So right and left. So I've done one application and I'm doing another layer right now. I think I applied a little too much on my forehead, so this is after 2 layers of foundation. See how flawless my face is right now. Like, it has completely concealed the corrector and you can hardly see my eye bags now. So I'm going to continue with the rest of makeup and we're going to see the final look. Right, so this is the finished look. I filmed another video using this palette on my eyes, so if you guys want to see, do check out the link that I've provided below. And what can I say, the finish is really airbrushed and for us it really lives up to its name. You can barely see any flaw on my face. Like, thank you so much to my best friend who got this for me during her trip in the UK last year, so I'm really grateful for that because this is not available in Malaysia. But there are several personal shoppers that do place international orders. They order from US Sephora as well as Cult Beauty from the UK. Cult Beauty also ships directly to Malaysia, so you can go ahead and check out their website as well. Let me know what you think about this foundation below, and if you have tried it, and if you can always just ask me anything and I'll see if we can like help each other out in this. Okay, I hope that you guys give this a try. See you guys in my next video and take care. Okay.